Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to load code on 22bet. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First of all, open your web browser. Then on the search bar, type in 22bet.com. Once you press enter, you will get to this website. Now on this website, you'll have to log into your account. And if you don't have an account, you can register for one by clicking on this button where it says registration. And once you get your account, click on this login button to log in. Now enter your login credentials in these boxes. And in case if you have forgotten your password, you can click on this link to reset it. Now, once you have entered your detail, click on this login button. Then you'll be logged into your account. Now on the top right corner, you will see this box. Then under bet slip section, you will see bet slip code. Click on this box where it says bet slip code. Then enter the code that you have. Once you enter the code, click on this load button. Once you click on it, the code will be applied. You can also save it by clicking on this button where it says save so that you can reuse it. So this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks.